Clever touch, baby. Clever touch, baby.
You boys! Bastard! Good morning, students!
Good morning, teacher.
Today's lesson is about repeating after me. You see, I'm the king now, so repeat after me. Birth certificate.
Birth certificate.
Yeah?
Birth certificate. Birth certificate. Birth certificate.
You dumb. I repeat after me. Birth certificate.
Birth certificate.
No.
Certificate.
You look like the one who's smart.
I'm
Say-
the smart one.
Say birth certificate.
Birth certificate.
Stupid. Hey, here's my favorite, Lena.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Diamond.
Yeah, I'm fine, teacher.
My favorite, Lena Diamond.
Yes, teacher.
I trust you're gonna be the new teacher today.
Yeah.
If you just say one word, because this bastard can't say a word.
Yeah.
Repeat after me.
Yeah.
Say birth certificate.
Birth certificate.
Yeah?
Birth certificate.
Yeah?
I know, Moses. I know.
You don't know.
I fuck, teacher. I know.
Yeah, I fucking Diamond. You have been
Birth
repeating.
certificate.
You have been repeating this grade.
Yes.
You have been repeating grade 1
For 5 years. Hey, shut up, man.
and
For
you
5
repeated
years,
grade
what?
R
I
7
know
years.
birth certificate. Yo, shut up.
You
No,
should
you
have
don't
been in
know
high
English,
school.
man.
You should have been in high school.
Shut up.
Look how old are you now?
Yeah.
20.
Pro by the boy killer. Pro by the